Hello everyone, I'm Noelia and today I'd like to show you our CIP spray balls. CIP spray balls will allow us to sanitize a tank in the place where it is installed. CIP is the acronym for Clean in Place. CIP balls perform tank sanitation through two simultaneous actions, a mechanical and a chemical one. The mechanical action is carried out by the impact of the pressurized water on the surface, while the chemical one is carried out by the chemicals used in the water. The first thing we must determine to get a CIP ball is what size we need. For that, in the Jeklo technical sheets, you will find a chart with the effective cleaning radius of each model and dimension. In order to measure it, we must consider the size of the tank where it will be installed. If our tank is, for example, 1.5 meters high and 1 meter in diameter, we can use a 1-inch CIP ball. Once the CIP ball has been measured, we must ensure for maximum efficiency that our installation meets the pressure and flow requirements. This data can also be found in the technical data sheets. At Jeklo, there are 3 available models: T-type fixed CIP balls, Rotary CIP balls, and Rotary heads. Fixed CIP balls represent a lower initial investment, but have a higher operating cost, since they are more inefficient. On the other hand, we offer Rotary CIP balls that have a higher investment cost, but are more efficient in cleaning, so we will have a lower maintenance cost. Finally, Rotary heads are the most efficient model of all, also being the one with the highest cleaning range. This model is the one that requires the highest initial investment, but at the same time the one with the lowest operating cost. Finally, remember that you can place your orders through our online shop, or you can also contact one of our sales representatives.